This is a 2011 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, external temperature display, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, roof rails, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Sheehy Ford of Warrenton is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6443 Lee Highway in Warrenton.